हेलो एविएटर्स। तो आज मैं आप सभी को देने वाली हूँ 5 ऐसी टिप्स जो आपके कैबिन क्रू इंटरव्यू में आपको 100% श्योरिटी देगी कि आप क्वालिफाई कर पाओ अगर आप प्रॉपर्ली फॉलो करो तो। कॉज यू नीड डेली प्रैक्टिस फॉर द सेम, जिसके लिए आप हमारे ऑनलाइन और ऑफलाइन बैचेस ज्वाइन कर सकते हो। बट फिलहाल इन दिस वीडियो जस्ट द 5 मेजर टिप्स for any cabin crew interviews. Okay, any airline you go, whether you go for low cost, ultra low cost, you go for hybrid one, you go for business class airlines, any airline you go full service. So these 5 tips, if you're using, no airline HR can reject you, trust me on this. But these 5 we have to follow strictly. So first one, we are starting with professionalism. Now what is the meaning of professionalism? And now everybody is talking about it, but still they cannot figure out what exactly professionalism is. Professionalism is giving respect, taking respect. If you want to receive the respect, you have to give the respect to the other person also. If I will address you like this, that okay, hello, or just very direct language or layman's language, you will also be this and little this, and you will also be replying in the same manner. Similarly, if I will address you as sir or ma'am or Mr. or Mrs. or by your last name, definitely you're going to deliver it back to me. Of course, this is in general we are talking, not of course everybody is different. We have different variety of people. But generally, if you want to receive respect, please start giving respect. This is what is the meaning of professionalism. The base of professionalism is respect. Now coming to other segments of professionalism. So now we will be talking about body language part, which is the non-verbal communication. The way I am standing right now, the way I am moving my hands, the accessories I am wearing, the way I am wearing my blazer, the way I am I formed a neat and clean hairstyle, the earrings, formal earrings I'm wearing, the way I am standing, the way I am making eye contact, the way I am giving no expressions but the subtle smile. All of these things are also segments of professionalism. So yes, the way you walk, the way you are standing, the way you are talking, sitting position, opening door, and eye contact, okay, the body language part, everything is there in professionalism. So now you understood professionalism. Now we need to focus on how to deliver the right kind of professionalism in your interviews. The moment you enter, guys, the moment you enter the venue, start greeting everybody. Do not think like okay, किसी और institution से हम greet नहीं करेंगे, या freshers है या कुछ generally आ गए हैं उन्हें wish नहीं करेंगे. Nothing is like that. Remember, give respect to take respect. Okay. So we have to greet everybody. आप इंटरव्यू वेन्यू पे जा रहे हो, आपको जो दिख रहा है, आपको वॉचमैन अंकल दिख रहे हैं, वॉचमैन सर दिख रहे हैं, आप प्लीज उन्हें भी ग्रीट करो. आप ऑटो से आए हो, आप टैक्सी से आए हो, जो ड्राइवर सर बैठे हैं, आप प्लीज उन्हें भी ग्रीट करो. They will also feel good. Why not? What it takes, just few words. So please go ahead and do this. The moment you see anybody at the interview venue, start greeting. This will definitely make a very professional image of yours. So yes, be very professional. Start greeting everybody, the first point. And then second things, please maintain your body language. Agar see, now you're watching me, now you're maybe finding it interactive because you've reached this point. So of course, I am interested enough, creative enough to grab your attention. At the same time, I am professional enough to take you in the confidence that you can trust me, that whatever I'm teaching right, because I am looking like this. Same way, if I will just stand like this and do something, or maybe just talking casually, you will not take me that seriously. You will not take my tips that seriously. So of course, you need to give the right kind of body language to the person in order to be, the unique candidate. Maintain a very good subtle body language, decent body language. बहुत ज़्यादा casual actions अगर आप करोगे तो आपको ऑफकोर्स बहुत कैजुअल लगोगे, और आप फॉर्मल्स में जा रहे हो. इतना फॉर्मल हमारा है ना, सब कुछ वहाँ का एटमॉस्फेयर है, इतना प्रोफेशनल इंडस्ट्री है, तो आपको बॉडी लैंग्वेज अच्छे से मेंटेन करना है. कोई बात नहीं, आपका नहीं है प्रैक्टिस में, आपने आपके एनवायरनमेंट में ऐसा नहीं है, फैमिली या फ्रेंड सर्कल में ऐसे नहीं है, इट्स ओके. फर्स्ट फॉर इंटरव्यू डे आप अपना अच्छा बॉडी लैंग्वेज मेंटेन करें. आप अपने हाई हैंड्स को अच्छे से प्लेस करें, आप वॉक अच्छे से करें, आप शोल्डर स्ट्रेट रखें, आप स्लाउच ना करें, आप हेड लेवल स्ट्रेट रखें, आप आई कांटेक्ट अच्छे से मेंटेन करें, आप एक अच्छी सी स्माइल लेकर आप अपना इंटरव्यू के लिए अपीयर हो. सो प्लीज फॉलो ये सारी चीजें. जो है प्रोफेशनलिज्म में आती है और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके इंटरव्यू डे के लिए। फिर सेकेंड पॉइंट है नेवर गिव अप। नेवर गिव अप मतलब कोई भी आंसर, किसी भी क्वेश्चन पे आप स्टक हो, कोई भी आपसे जनरल क्वेश्चन कर लिया हो एचआर ने या बीएमआई के टाइम पे या डॉक्यूमेंटेशन के टाइम पे, आपको कभी गिव अप नहीं करना है। गिव अप मतलब सिर्फ इतना है कि आपको पॉज लेकर और फिर कंटिन्यू करने की जगह वहीं से खत्म करके नहीं आना। कोई बात नहीं, सब डरते हैं, सबका हेजिटेशन होता है। आई वॉज ऑल्सो द पर्सन ना कि जिसने फर्स्ट टाइम इंटरव्यू दिया था, आई वॉज ऑल्सो वेरी नर्वस, वेरी अफ्रेड। बट वन थिंग, जस्ट वन सजेशन, व्हेनेवर यू आर स्टक, जब भी आप पॉज ले रहे हो, ठीक है, क्विकली अपने आप को रिमाइंड करवाना है कि ये इसके बाद वाला टाइम मैटर ही नहीं करेगा। ओके, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू मैटर अंटिल अनलेस आई कम बैक, अभी राइट नाउ। ठीक है, सो 5 सेकेंड्स में यू नीड टू रिमाइंड योरसेल्फ कि बस ये अगर चांस गया तो नहीं करना है। देन यू कम बैक, यू गिव अ ब्यूटीफुल स्माइल एंड यू आस्क फॉर टाइम। नाउ यू विल बी थिंकिंग कि मैम अगर मैं इंटरव्यूज के लिए गई हूँ और मैं टाइम ले रही हूँ आंसर्स के लिए, तो एचआर मुझे है ना अच्छा इंप्रेशन नहीं जाएगा। कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है। वन मोर थिंग, आई विल टेल यू लेटर ऑन, बट देन अभी प्रेजेंट के लिए क्या बेटर है, पॉज लेकर वही खत्म करना या फिर थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस दिखाकर थोड़ा टाइम लेना और फिर कम बैक करना, राइट? So of course, then you will be doing exactly like this. That suppose you're stuck, you're blank, you have nothing in your mind to say. So, I'm extremely sorry, ma'am. I'm a little nervous. Can I please take 15 seconds quickly? So this will be a very very good है ना जो आप कर सकते हो आपके इंटरव्यूज के लिए whenever you are stuck, guys. Please go ahead with this point. So you will be asking time. Second thing is that HR people are sitting there to hire you. They are not there to reject you. They are just maybe not finding the right kind of candidates for their organization. But ऐसा कभी वो वहां पे आपको सिलेक्ट करने बैठे, उन्हें एम्प्लॉइज चाहिए अपनी एयरलाइन के लिए। सो नेवर थिंक कि दे आर दे आर वेरी स्वीट पीपल इफ यू गो एंड अगर आपने देखा होगा इंटरव्यूज में, HR people are actually very sweet. But when it comes to interviews, of course, they need to check you, whether you're suitable or not. Please keep this in mind. Never give up. Always complete your answer. And please ask for time with a smile. Moving to the creativity. A lot of people are following this. A lot of people are following this process of copy pasting answers, mugging up the answers. I have named this as ratification process, which I am extremely against of. Okay, I do not believe in ratification. I do not believe in googling the answers of certain questions and mugging it up and going for your interviews. Okay, it is not going to work at all. What do you think? You can only Google the answers. You only have ChatGPT. Other people are not aware about the same or what? So everybody is going to do the Googling thing. Everybody is going to mug up the answers. The only difference which is going to be there between you and other candidates is your creativity. अगर मुझसे क्वेश्चन पूछा गया about my favorite destination, if I will Google it, any famous destination will come, main points, this and that, okay, a lot of things. When I will be telling about my favorite destination personally and creatively, right? So then of course this will be a personal experience. Maybe I'll be talking about one of my family friends who went to this trip and this destination was this. They were telling me about those spots. So that will be very personal and very creative. And yes, this is what you need to do in your interviews, because सब सेम करके आ रहे हैं, आपका क्या डिफरेंट है? Why they will hire you? हाँ, गूगल से उन्हें आंसर्स लेने थे. डू यू थिंक दैट पीपल आर so of course they're smart enough. You need to be smarter. This is the thing. Next thing, similar to creativity, is honesty. Okay, किसी भी चीज में झूठ नहीं बोलना है. Sometimes you have to be smart enough to realize कि where you need to lie and where you need to be very very honest. So I will suggest you most of the time 80% in the interview, 85-90 actually, you have to be very honest. Okay. What do I mean by this? Honesty is you have to honestly reply to the question. Suppose the HR is asking, okay Moni, do you read books? Are you interested in reading novels and all of that? And I am saying, okay, reading novels would be a cool step, would be a cool thing for the interview. So I am saying, yes sir, I love reading books and novels. So I cannot do that. Please do not do this. First thing, you are going for the interview maybe first time, second time, or number of times, but they are taking interviews every day of a lot of candidates. So they will know then and there, okay, they will know there and there that whether you are lying or you are honest. So they will get with the expressions first of all that ये नहीं पढ़ती है book, फिर भी she is telling me that she reads. Later on, when they will be asking cross questions, you will be stuck. क्योंकि मैं तो books पढ़ती ही नहीं हूँ. What am I going to tell them? Which book, recent book which you read? I don't know about books. Author, your favorite author, I know nothing. So you'll be stuck then and there. You'll be gone. So please be very, very honest. Okay, if you're not interested, suppose the question has come, I can simply reply, no, sir, I'm not very much into books, but definitely if I can share about my favorite web series. Okay, but I am very much interested in science fiction novels, or I am very much interested in Marvel movies, or I am very much interested in action movies. You can go ahead. Okay, maybe I am not interested in this, but I maintain gratitude journaling. Whatever. Okay, maybe I can talk about I am very fluent with musical instruments. A lot of options are there which you can give, guys, but please do not lie in your interviews. And last point is information. You need to have information. What is the meaning of information here in my fifth tip? Info means knowledge. Okay, if you're going for any airline, उस airline के बारे में थोड़ा सा पढ़ के जाओ. अगर cabin crew के interviews चल रहे हैं तो basic जो common questions है उसके बारे में रट्टा मारकर नहीं, सिर्फ सोच करके मैं क्या points बोल सकती हूँ, क्या keywords हो सकते हैं, सिर्फ थोड़ा सा आप analyze करके जाओ. And then last thing, information is about facts. अगर आपको facts और numbers जो है वो clear नहीं है तो आप mention मत करो. Okay, या फिर वो मिलता है. So if you're not sure about facts, please do not use facts. So these were the 5 major tips, guys, for you all, for all the cabin crew aspirants out there who are going and preparing for cabin crew interviews. If you follow these 5 tips, I am very, very, very sure that you will be selected. And yes, daily practice is a must, so you can definitely join our online and offline courses starting from a duration of 10 days also. And yes, all the very best for your cabin crew interviews, and follow for more videos.